Welcome to our quick guide on how to hide your home location on Facebook using your PC. Facebook is a great way to connect with friends and family, but it's important to be aware of your privacy settings. In this video, we'll show you how to hide your home location, ensuring that only you can see this information. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer. Go to your preferred web browser and log into your Facebook account using your username and password. Next, click on your profile photo located in the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on your name to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for the About section. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the page, below your cover photo. Click on it to access your profile information. In the About section, find the Places Lived category. Here, you'll see your home location. Next to your home location, you'll see an audience icon. This icon indicates who can currently see your home location on your profile. Click on the audience icon next to your home location. A drop-down menu will appear with various privacy options, such as Public, Friends, Friends of Friends, and Only Me. To hide your home location, select Only Me from the drop-down menu. This ensures that only you can see your home location on your profile. Finally, click Done to save your changes. The audience icon next to your home location should now indicate that it's visible only to you. By following these simple steps, you've successfully hidden your home location on Facebook. This helps protect your privacy and gives you more control over the information you share on the platform. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.